I want to share something really beautiful. It's a reflection that I have today. Ngayon na nakabalik ako dito sa work office ko. Itong desk ko na to, desktop ko na to, sobrang tagal na rin ito sa akin. And ngayon lang ako ulit dito sa taas kasi medyo mainit dito. Ayoko rin naman mag-AC para makatipid sa kuryente. Kaya madalas doon ako sa baba gamit lang yung laptop ko. So ngayon, I decided na bisitahin ko ulit yung desktop. And this wallpaper has been sitting here for a very, very long time already. And I thought, this is January pa naman. This is very relevant pa rin when it comes to goal setting at the start of the year. I want to share one of my favorite verses. It's Psalm chapter 16, verse 3. It says, "Commit your works to the Lord and your plans will be established." Itong wallpaper na to, sobrang tagal na nitong ginawa. Ina-update ko lang siya from time to time. So before, ito lang yung picture ng mga anak ko. And then na-update ko siya, I think last year with this picture. But the rest is different. These are some of our long-term goals. My husband and I. Ito, name to ng church namin. Ito yung name ng church organizations namin. Name ng company. Dream namin na business na magkaroon. And then yung current small agency na meron ako. So I've been putting all of these things in writing for so many years already. Itong mga to are the things that I want to see growth in the next few years. And I've always committed them to the Lord. Like, give it to God. Kung ano mga plano mo, kung ano mga gusto mong lumago sa buhay, sinulat namin yan at saka nilapatan namin ang verse. Every time that I'm in this desk at malinis yung wallpaper ko at nakikita ko to, I'm always reminded to look back at the goodness of God at kung ano yung mga biyaya na natatanggap namin sa buhay every year. And so, if you are someone who wants to start setting some goals this year, hindi pa naman huli ang January, it's very important that you put some things in writing and put them in a place where you are always reminded. It's a very humbling way to look back kung paano ka nagsimula and also reflect on the blessings that you receive from God and the growth that you get every time you check on it again. Some of these na nasa list namin are still not happening, but it's always just there to put you back into perspective, realign you, or kaya naman ay remind you of the things that you want to grow and accomplish. Hope this helps and remind us na if we want to set some goals, it's very important that we put all those in writing. And of course, commit your works to the Lord and your plans will be achieved. Happy New Year!